we are doing
Garten of Banban 4.
the stories. Oh wait, no. Wait, what? I just got logged out. What just happened? Okay, just join back again. There we go. Yes. Yeah. Oh my, yes. Yay. New game. Let's do these. Kangaroos. Door open. Seashell. Seashell gone. Lights out. And midnight on. Oh, hello, bird. Hello. Hello, bird. Oh my. Alright, what? Oh, okay. Oh my god. I'm sorry. Help! So shaky. Right, this guy is literally shaking my game. Right, so even coming here. Oh, okay, yep, he's coming, alright. Okay, let's just, yeah, let's just forget about him. You suck, yay, She's not even touching the button. Oh, bird. Alright. There we go. Just there. Yay. Yeah. Ooh. Yay, new remote. No. I'm sorry. Who the hell is dragging me? Who the hell is dragging me? Help. Oh my god, the white balls have eyes. Oh my god, why are they spinning now? Oh my god. So if I click that button, I'm going to dislike this video.
You being unconscious won't work.
Yeah, we need to press that. We need to press that right now. Guys, press that button. Press that button.
First test is very simple. I will ask
Wait,
you
I wasn't
yes or
even
no
concentrating.
questions,
Who was it?
and you'll answer them using the buttons on your left
Is that Sheriff
and
Toadster?
right.
Hi,
Facing
Joe Biden.
forward,
Hi,
the
Joe
button on your
Biden.
right is a yes,
Hi, Joe
and the button on
Biden.
your left is a no.
Joe Biden.
Question 1.
Joe Biden.
Someone locked up all the criminals in the swamp on the level above. Was that you?
Bro, I didn't even do chapter 8. Wait, which one do I do? Sure, if I didn't even do it, then did I do it or not? If I just... Right.
Interesting. Huh. I'm wondering. Moving on then. Have you ever come in contact with the threat shown on the board?
No.
No.
I didn't play chapter...
Well, consider yourself lucky.
Wait, no, I did! Click the like button!
Third question. Have you ever come in contact with the threat shown on the board?
No. I have not. Wait, what?
Fourth question.
Wait, what?
Have you ever come in contact with the threat shown on the board?
No, I did. Bro, he's on Roblox, bro. Right, he's on Roblox.
I'm gonna need every bit of information you've got on that one. But later. Fifth question. Have you ever come in contact with the threat shown on the board?
No. No, I have not.
Well, you better keep a wider eye on the ceiling. That one strikes from every angle. Sixth question. Have you ever come in contact with the threat shown on the board?
You are right there, so no.
I hope the rest of your answers were as truthful as this one. Alright, grab your belongings from the back and step out of the room.
Huh? Okay. What the? Oh. Oh my god, I thought something was gonna happen.
You don't even work here.
Yeah, I don't care, blah blah.
What
blah.
on earth are you doing this deep down anyway, partner? You know what?
Oh wait, what do you mean deep down? You mean this? Okay, that was the stupidest thing I've ever done. I did not die. Why did I hear just... Bro, the video was paused. When I was dead, I literally heard Sheriff Toadster. Press. Yay. Bro, I'm back here again.
What a waste of time. You don't even work here.
Shut up.
What
Wait,
on
what's even
earth are you
behind
doing
that?
this deep down anyway, partner? You know what? Follow me. We can
What?
talk more inside.
Wait, what's
It's not very
that
safe out
area?
here.
Wait, what's that area? Hmm?
Careful here. It's not very sturdy.
Huh? Open up. Open up. Open up. Open.
Welcome to the kingdom.
How in... Oh my god, you're opening the castle. Oh my god.
It's not up to me to stop.
Catnap. It's
We need to talk to the
catnap.
queen.
It's
And when we
catnap.
do-
It's cat. That is not catnap. Sheriff Toadster, who the hell is this? Who the hell is this? Who's this?
Your Majesty, I've finished interrogating the new captive.
And how would you rate the fruitfulness of that interrogation? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Why are you massive like queso?
0.
Zero.
They don't
doesn't
talk
count.
much.
I'm literally talking right now. Hello. I'm talking right now. The service?
There's a new one. Did they say what they're doing down here?
I'm afraid not.
Afraid not.
I think I know. A worried parent can spot another worried parent from a mile away. I've heard the screams in the crash room.
Why am I
You're
over
here in
here?
search of your child. I fear you won't find them. Most humans have ceased to come down to this floor for quite some time now. We can
What
help
the-
with getting you back up to the upper floors, but allow us to introduce ourselves first. I am Queen Valkyria, the ruler of the kingdom.
Oh my god, what is she doing?
This is Sheriff Toadster.
Bro, what
the
is she
protector and only
doing?
other citizen of the kingdom.
Oh my...
I apologize on behalf
Why
of
does she kind of look like Freddy Fazbear?
for the wrong
No,
reception.
does that look like a purple hippo or Freddy Fazbear?
I'm
Like,
sure
what the
that's
heck?
elevator
That
up.
literally looks like a purple hippo or Freddy
Not too
Fazbear.
well. It's missing
Oh
some
my-
crucial parts. 3 to be exact.
What the hell?
Do you know
It's
where
a
these
purple
parts are?
hippo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's a purple
I was
hippo.
previously too occupied to go collect them.
It's a purple
Coming
hippo.
hours will be rough for us all.
I'm sorry, why is there a purple hippo?
Focused on protecting
I
you.
have enough of this purple.
You win.
I'm sorry,
Boss,
what just
get
happened?
back.
Ooh,
All right,
doors.
you heard the lady. Let's head to the
I
station,
am so
partner.
sorry, Your Majesty. Also, one more thing,
Get
why...
by too well.
Will you shut up? Why is your lights massive? Oh my god, will you shut up? Oh! Oh my god, why? Why? You you stay with this lad. No, you literally scared the life out of me. Goodbye. Bro, get away. I'm gonna put this random child onto the table. Go onto the table, you random child. If you follow me again, I'm doing a part 2 in like 5 hours.